In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create 3D talking characters with perfect lips sync using one free tool and a simple prompt. Your character will match from scene to scene. Same look, same vibe. I'll even give you the exact copy-paste prompt I used to get results like this. Don't skip, miss one step, and your results won't look this good. Step 1. Generate.
The story and prompts with ChatGPT. Grab the master prompt from the description. This prompt is gold for AI animation. Copy it and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box. Hit generate. Within moments, ChatGPT gives you a complete script. Perfect 3D character descriptions, scene-by-scene text-to-video prompts, and dialogue already written inside each scene prompt, with the full character description included inside every video prompt. Because the character details and dialogue are repeated in all prompts, you get consistent character animation with perfectly matched lip sync across every clip. You don't have to write anything from scratch. You just have to copy and save each scene prompt. We'll use them to create the full animation. Step 2. Generate animated clips using Grok. Now we turn those prompts into real animation. And the best part? This entire process is completely free. Go to Grow. Grow is a completely free text-to-wide and image-to-video generator with dialogue. You can easily create animation clips that talk and move like professional studio-quality animation. Once you're on Grok, click Imagine. You'll see lots of people creating different types of videos and images. You can see the prompts they use and get ideas. But ChatGPT has already written the complete text-to-video prompts for us. So, we're ready to create. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene video prompt. Copy the whole prompt, including the character description, the camera description, and the dialogue. Paste it into Grow. Select the correct aspect ratio. Hit Generate. In under a minute, Grok generates the animation clip with dialogue. The face, expressions, and speech are all on point. Completely free without any watermark. This is a total game changer for anyone who wants to make a good quality animation story for free. Now, copy the second scene video prompt, including the camera description and dialogue. Paste it into Grok. Click Create Video. Within moments, Grok generates the second clip with perfect character consistency and the dialogue perfectly synced. The quality is insane. Now, paste the third scene video prompt. Hit Create Video. It's so fast that it generates the video in under a minute and the quality is mind-blowing. You don't have to upscale the clips on another platform. Generate the rest of the scene clips in the same way. After generating all the animated clips, download them one by one. Every clip is watermark free. You've just created a full, consistent studio-style 3D animation with perfect lip sync using AI, completely free. Step 3. Combine everything in CapCut. After generating all the animated clips, it's time to edit them into a viral-worthy story. We'll use CapCut. It's a free video editing tool. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Import all the clips you made in Grok. Drag them onto the timeline in order. If you rename the files 01, 02, 03, it's easy to keep them in sequence. Add transitions between each clip. Click transitions at the top. Pick a style that fits your scene. Keep transitions short and clean, around 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. Add sound to boost engagement. Use whoosh effects on transitions. Add light background music. Set music lower than the dialogue so voices stay clear. Add captions to make it more visual. Click text, click auto caption. After the captions generate, choose a clean font. Style the captions. Add a subtle shadow. Animate them with a simple pop-in for energy. Do quick polish passes. Trim awkward pauses. Add gentle zooms with keyframes for movement. Balance audio levels so nothing clips or distorts. Export your video. Choose the right aspect ratio for your platform. Export at 1080p or 4K with a high bitrate for crisp results. And there you have it, a 3D animated story made completely free.